What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. I know this is probably going to seem like a little bit of deja vu to some of you guys, but that company Cooltentler, guys, that I used for the last tent review, they said we got another tent, and this one actually folds up and everything, so it's a lot easier to deal with. And I was like, cool, send it out. We'll do a review on it, and yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. That's what these boxes are behind me. I'm going to get unboxing this thing. I'm going to show it to you guys. We're going to set everything up and do a spray out. So let's get into setting this Cooltentler tent up. Alright guys, so first impressions. This is packaged very, very well. And it's got a carrying bag for it. I guess these are all the coverings. And I don't know what that is, but we're going to find out in a few minutes. Let's start setting this thing up and let's see how it does. Alright guys, so this is inside the paint tent so far. It unfolded quickly. You got these straps that hold everything. You got these little locker pieces that lock everything into place. And you even got little hooks down there that strap everything in. And here's the tool kit. But we got more to set up, so let's get to setting this thing up completely. And I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so let's step inside the tent. First, you got a zipper part, which is pretty cool. And then you come into the tent. Both the sides are completely transparent. You got places for filters. You got a filter on each side of the wall. On that side, and then you got Velcro straps down here at the bottom that actually allow this whole tent to be completely self-contained. As well as straps all around. It's got Velcro pieces all the way around. So basically this whole tent is completely enclosed, guys, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, so they also sent out this optional accessory. It installs to the booth and allows you to use an exhaust fan to pull fumes out. So I got that and I got an exhaust fan, so we're going to hook everything up and we're going to see how it works. You also have an option to put filters. They slide in right here. You got straps that are removable, and you can also hook a box fan up if you decide to not buy the additional accessories. This thing even comes with optional wheels so you can move it around. That is pretty neat. Guys, so a big shout out to Cooltentler for sending out that really cool tent. The weather kind of got a little crappy, so had to call it a day. But anyways, I really thank them for sending that tent out. It's really cool. It's a lot better than the first tent they sent me. I like that it retracts. It's got the bag and everything else. I know a lot of you guys don't have access to a garage and you're doing the stuff out in your driveways and stuff. So that's a cool option if you want to do your projects in an enclosed space. It's a lot cheaper to build in a garage, obviously. So yeah, links will be in the description to that. And here's what you probably come to see. Primer with clear coat and pearls over top. Will it work? We're going to find out today. I got my fender prepped up behind me. I got some 2X primer. I've already sanded it down. This is the one I fixed. If you saw my short video where I stripped all the paint off of it, this is that fender. And we're going to prime it, and then we're going to shoot some crazy pearl In a clear coat, this pearl is called Mineral Glacier. It's a white particle-based pearl. It's going to be very sparkly, and I think it'll look really cool over this primer. So let's get to throwing some primer on this thing, and let's shoot some crazy pearl. Alright guys, we got the 2X primer all laid down, and it's time for the fun part, the pearls. I have this Mineral Glacier pearl right here. It's a white particle based pearl. It's going to be very shimmery, very sparkly. Oh yeah, that looks really cool. And my plan with it is, I got the Speedo coat in my cup, 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator at 75 degrees. That's 5 ounces of clear total. And I'm going to do, let's do half a teaspoon of this Mineral Glacier. That's about 3/4, a little bit less, about half. Put it in the mix, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Mineral Glacier. As you can see, it is a white pearl, and I've already got some in the mix. As you saw, there it is in the mix, and let's get to mixing. Now, this is going to be a really cool white pearl, and I'm really curious to see what this is going to do over top of gray primer of all things. I think it's going to make for a very interesting color, like shark skin. But only one way to find it out, guys. Let's load up the VEVOR gun and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, I got my Mineral Glacier Pearl on my VEVOR gun today. I shoot at 1.4 tip, a 28 PSI, wide open trigger is my settings. If you want to replicate them, I'm going to do a light coat first. Make sure we don't get no reactions because this is primer. And then 2 follow-up coats. Make it look cool, take it outside in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to get my mask on. Let's get the spraying. So today we tackled that age-old question, can you spray clear coating pearls over top of primer? And the answer is yes. We shot 2X primer over top, and then we did a Mineral Glacier pearl, a really cool white particle pearl over top of it, and it created a really cool silver effect, almost like shark skin. And as always, guys, rate it. Let me know what you thought of it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. If you made it this far in the video today and you like what I'm doing with all these spray outs, please drop me a like, a comment, share this video. and let me know how I'm doing. And if you want to buy the pearls, the clear, anything you saw in the video today, links will be in the description, and you can click As Seen on YouTube. Takes you to my Amazon store. You can buy any products I use on the channel there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Prime. But I had a lot of fun today. I appreciate Cooltentler for sending out the tent. I hope you guys enjoyed that little review. And yeah, I enjoyed this spray out as well, guys. So until next time, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.